This is my bike check. I have a Mongoose Gavel, but I upgraded it because I didn't really like the bike as I bought it. I took all the stickers off. Got a market sticker, Misfit forks, Ozone bars, ODI bar and stock Mongoose grips, Ozone stem, the Mongoose Team Issue metal pedals, Mongoose cranks, painted my chain red, painted the back tire red and the cranks and pedals. I'm not done with that though. I got slime tubes. The seat's messed up, but I'll fix that. The hub in the back is the Mongoose Team Issue hub. It'll spin for long.